graph the function and determine its domain and range. F of x equals 1/3 x minus 2. You should recognize this as a linear function. F of x equals mx plus b. So m is equal to 1/3, b is equal to -2. So draw your set of axes and begin by labeling the y-intercept, which is at -2. Then use the slope, which is 1/3, to go up 1 and over 3, which gives us a point right here. And so now we've gone up 1 and over 3. We draw our line, which passes through the intercept, this point, which is 3, -1, and the intercept at 6. What about the domain and range? Well, for any linear function, the domain and the range are both the set of real numbers. So the domain, set of real numbers, range, the set of real numbers.